Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we cover text tool, how to use text tool in Adobe Photoshop and how to design amazing banners with text tool. Let's start the video. Before start this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing updates. Let's jump to the PC. First of all, open your Photoshop. And create a new layer. Choose the size and click on create. Now I have a background which I download from this website that you show in the description. Now you can see this background. Now here you can see the text tool is here. This. You can also press T to choose the text tool. Press T and type here. Zoom this and press Ctrl A and adjust your size which you want to need. Press Ctrl T and adjust your size. Press enter and now double click on this T and correct your spelling. Press Ctrl A and here you can choose your text style. I am choosing here this text, and also you can change the color of text from here. Press Ctrl T and adjust the text. Now to duplicate this file, press Ctrl J. To duplicate this file, press Ctrl T and go down. Double click on this to edit the text. Now press on the stick and Ctrl T to adjust the size of this text. And here you can double click on this and change the text color. Press OK. Now press enter and duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. And here you can double click on this text file and add some more text. Now press on the stick and press Ctrl T to adjust the size. Press on the stick, double click on this and change the color of this text to white. Press on tick and here you can add the logo of Photoshop. Just a second. This is the logo. You can add it here. Like this. Change the color of this text also to yellow. press on the stick. Now you can see here your thumbnail is ready, and you also learn how to use text tool in Photoshop. And make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing videos. Goodbye.